All right. This morning I'm going to be talking about sound equipment. This is a sound check of the lapel mic. I've turned the gain up to 40. I'm going to see if that helps the YouTube videos out. There have been some concerns about not being able to hear it on YouTube, so we're turning it up to 39 dB actually, and turning the volume down in the house. I'm going to be uploading this YouTube video to YouTube so I can check it out. Appreciate y'all. Love you. Shout out to my wife, Jezreel, Pastor AT. Love y'all.